My first look in person was amazing. It really is small, as promised. It truly does open up very quickly. The cost is maybe $10,000 at a high build rate. It will be smaller than a car. It will be less expensive than a car. From the first tries, people whispered their awe at seeing it. Tesla's tiny home lives up to the excitement. It is small and sets up in dozens of seconds. It is truly surprising to see it working. Tesla's $7,999 mini home is now on sale. This changes all ideas about the housing market. It has 280 square feet of space. You can set it up faster than you pitch a tent. Its solar power system makes owners self-sufficient. Its parts adjust to real-life needs. It has furniture and things for a family of 4. It is a great choice in today's tough housing market. So, is the $7,999 Tesla tiny house worth the money? What does Elon Musk plan for building homes like this? Welcome to AutoFusion. Tesla recently sold its first 10,000 tiny homes. They partnered with local groups for land and power access. This gives people a chance to own a home. They can also make their own energy. We think most people do not want to live in tiny homes. Yes, they are small and can feel cramped, but the cost to build a house in the US is shocking. The average cost is $350,000 to $800,000. This does not include land or site prep. Average building costs are $180 to $280 per square foot. This is for a simple house with basic finishes. Wow. That is why many Americans pre-ordered the Tesla tiny house. They get 280 square feet for just under $8,000. The first 1,000 Tesla Model S cars changed how people saw electric cars. The first 1,000 Tesla tiny houses will be a breakthrough. They show a new housing business could start. This number is small for the total housing market. Its effect is bigger than the raw figures. It opens a new way for the industry and buyers. A Tesla tiny house is a small, ready-made house. Musk designed it. It runs on solar power and other clean sources. Tesla developed the whole thing. The house comes with a battery storage system. It has solar panels and special house batteries. Dozens of solar companies are local. Hundreds are nationwide. Tesla is still one of the largest in the country. They install solar panels and special solar roofs. They do this in all 50 states. They promise fair prices compared to others. It is hard to compare prices across companies. This does not change our solar provider ratings. It is important when buying solar panels. A recent study says an 8 kW solar system costs $275.5 per watt in 2025. Bigger systems are often cheaper per watt. Tesla's online prices are often lower. This changes if you add a backup battery. With a Powerwall and tax credit, Tesla estimates costs. This credit is 30% if installed by 2031. Costs range from $3.50 per watt for a 4.8 kW system. It is $3.10 per watt for a 7.6 kW system. It is $2.85 per watt for a 17.6 kW system. Without the Powerwall, the cost drops to $2.10 per watt for each size. The house is built in Texas. It is on land owned by SpaceX. Musk bought the land in 2023. The goal is to get cheap living spaces. They have all needed items for a tiny house owner. There are no current plans to sell these houses. This could offer new chances for different housing. Owning a Tesla tiny house means spending less on building and debt. You spend more on personal freedom and a clean future. You avoid a huge mortgage. You get a small, effective place to live. You use advanced tech to save money. You also reduce harm to the environment. The house frame uses aerospace steel. This steel has a strength of 50,000 psi. It can handle over 100 moves without damage. In real tests, a model was towed 2,000 miles. It went 60 miles per hour with no change in shape. This is like moving from Texas to New York twice. 4 hydraulic leveling jacks support 2.5 tons each. They let the house self-level in 2 minutes. They keep accuracy within 0.1 degree. This works even on soft ground, like in Florida. Normal trailers often sink up to 6 inches there. To move it, the design folds down. It fits standard towing limits for pickup trucks. No special license is needed. Moving from New York to Las Vegas costs about $600 in gas. For overseas shipping, special hinges fold the house. It goes down to 22 feet long. This fits inside a 40-foot shipping container. Shipping costs are cut in half compared to a regular house. The house is built to handle the environment. The jacks anchor safely on slopes up to 15 degrees. They handle winds of 50 miles per hour. They work with 99% stability. The roof can open into a 120 square foot terrace. This increases the solar panel area from 100 to 180 square feet. It boosts daily energy to 5 kWh. In heavy rain, the roof closes in 30 seconds via an app. All this gives the house a 50-year life. Annual upkeep costs only about $350. Beyond moving, the house has flexible parts. The basic layout is 280 square feet. It has a kitchen, bathroom, and living area. Foldable parts grow the space to 330 square feet. To expand more, owners can add a 70 square foot module that uses strong magnetic locks. Setup takes just 10 minutes. The total size can reach 400 square feet. This stays light enough for a pickup truck to tow. 5 houses can connect to make a tiny village. They total 1,400 square feet. They share energy. This cuts living costs by up to 40%. The modules can also become small business spaces. Many older people in early areas earn about $800 more per month. The system allows repeated rearrangement. Many homes change their layout weekly. This handles daily life or group events. The land policy is very notable. In Texas and Florida, Tesla sets aside 50-acre plots. Residents pay only $100 per year for upkeep. There are no land or property taxes. New York's average is $12,000 per year. The full cost of owning a Tesla tiny house drops to $5,500. This is up to 70% less than a $500,000 house. Houses in the group connect to a 6 kW microgrid. This makes about 20 kWh per day. It cuts energy needs by 60%. The water system reuses 80% of water. This cuts living costs to about $15 per month. A 3,000-gallon rainwater storage helps. Composting systems help the group achieve 90% self-reliance. High-speed internet is shared for just $10 per person. New aid programs cover 50% of module expansion costs. This is for families earning under $50,000. The whole community idea has been tested. It offers stability, connection, and freedom. Many thought these were lost due to high housing costs. Land in Texas costs an average of $50,000. Getting land without paying for it is very important. This helps older people on fixed incomes. The Tesla tiny house costs under $8,000. It has flexible expansion and is easy to move. It offers almost free land and a self-sufficient power grid. It is changing the idea of house ownership in the U.S. It is more than a small house. It means freedom and money security. It gives many a chance to regain control. They avoid huge debt and rising costs. How can you build a Tesla tiny house yourself? Have you thought of building your own small, modern house? One that is useful and clean? One you can place almost anywhere? The idea of a tiny house, a small mobile home with all you need, is becoming real. This is thanks to new building concepts. Elon Musk leads the way with a unique model. Anyone can see it in action. The sample house Musk chose is a modular design. It covers 375 square feet. This is about 34 square meters. It is a simple size but with maximized use. Its best feature is that it folds for transport. Then it unfolds where you want it. This saves money on moving. It lets people who want freedom live in many places. It removes the limits of standard construction. The house is 19.5 x 19.5 feet. This is about 580 cents times 5.8 meters. It has 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. It includes a kitchen and living room. It even has a skylight. You can lie down and watch the stars at night. This living style is modern. It is also close to nature. The modular design is flexible for more than one house. Single-story units can be stacked and connected. This allows for larger buildings. They are still strong. They keep the ease of modular construction. Musk also said ready-made houses will be available. This allows for changes to fit individual needs. Materials are a big difference from traditional builds. It uses steel, concrete, foam, and layers of cladding. It does not use wood. This gives great durability. These solid blocks offer protection against storms. They give good insulation with mold-resistant concrete. Impact-resistant windows and doors act as safety barriers. They reduce outside noise by up to 40%. This makes the tiny house a quiet, peaceful place. The foundation is made of reinforced steel CBS blocks. It has a full rainwater drainage system. This ensures long-term stability in tough weather. These details show smart engineering. They also show care for safety. This is vital for those wanting a sustainable life. Despite its size, the modular house is stylish. The living space looks like a modern studio. It has a big shaker-style kitchen. It includes a large refrigerator and dishwasher. Tall windows are above the sink. A 2-person dining table pulls out from the wall. The 8-foot sliding glass door and high ceiling create openness. This feels bigger than the actual square footage. Heating and cooling systems are included. It has smart LED lighting and wired devices. Plumbing and solar-ready parts are there. All this makes a modern, fully equipped living experience. The Tesla house is also a symbol of connected tech. The layout is open for the bedroom, bathroom, and kitchen. It has wide flooring. It has a built-in washer and dryer. All devices are wireless. This removes extra outlets. It creates a clean, simple, and convenient space. A concern for remote living is internet access. Musk solves this with Starlink. This is the high-speed satellite internet project. SpaceX developed it. Starlink has over 5,900 low-orbit satellites. It gives global coverage even far away. This ensures your tiny house is never offline. Speeds are from 25 to 220 megabits per second. This is better than many old providers. The standard house plan costs $120 per month. This is fair for most homes. Starlink serves many countries. This means owners can enjoy freedom and connection. They have no location limits. It is the perfect mix of moving, convenience, and global connection. What is Elon Musk's next plan for the Tesla tiny house? Many stories have come out about the Tesla tiny house. It was said to be a future tech modular house. It would show Tesla's full energy and smart home idea. Some early talk claimed Musk would buy 20 houses in Texas. He would add Tesla tech to them. He would build a sample community. It would have clean energy and automation. The idea was to show advanced energy systems. It would show sustainable living. This would reflect Tesla's goal to change how people live. In that story, the tiny house idea became a full home project. It was thought to benefit from rising demand for rentals. Modular housing built by Tesla or related groups would be handled by real estate investors. It would mix housing, smart tech, and sustainable living. In this story, Musk had already started selling his homes. He publicly said he would own no house in May 2020. He sold many properties. This included a mansion in June 2020. He sold other houses later that year. The reason was to simplify his life. He wanted to focus on his Mars plan. As part of this simple shift, modular houses became a strong option. The appeal was faster building and lower costs. They could deliver quality homes faster than traditional builds. Ready-made options like factory-built homes grew popular. In past articles, Boxabel had a waiting list of 120,000 customers. It had over 5,000 paid deposits. This suggested huge demand. It included interest from large builders. These numbers are now old. As of late 2025, public records show Boxabel made 779 Casita units. They delivered 293 across 7 U.S. states. The company still owes deposits to about 7,732 customers. This gives a smaller picture of demand. More clearly, independent groups have checked the facts. They found no reliable proof that Tesla plans to build tiny houses. Claims that Tesla is launching low-cost modular homes are not proven. Tesla has no record of officially announcing this product line. Tesla's own website has no mention of houses. It only lists energy products like solar panels and the solar roof. Musk himself talked about the rumors. In 2021, he tweeted he lived in a modest $50,000 house in Texas. He rented it from SpaceX. He clearly said the house was not a Boxable unit. But he added that Boxable had a cool product. One news source said this undercuts the Tesla tiny house story. Musk may like modular housing. He has not said it is a Tesla product. The house he lives in is not linked to Boxabel. Given the new records and clear statements, the plan seems like guesswork. The idea of Musk buying 20 houses, adding Tesla tech, and selling them is not verifiable. As of now, Tesla has no official plan to build or sell tiny houses. Meanwhile, Boxabel is still growing slowly. They have had some issues with making and delivering units. They are now trying to build more. They reported more orders recently. This includes projects with multiple connected units. This is under their Build with Boxable program. This aims for modular community development. If Musk or Tesla start a housing project later, can modular homes fix the U.S. housing shortage? Or are they limited by cost, production, and other problems? Please share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to AutoFusion now. Do not miss the next Tesla update. It is coming in 2 days. If you want more info on Tesla EV or the Tesla bot, hit the like button. Share this video. Turn on notifications so you do not miss our latest videos. We thank you for your support. We hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.